Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here with your midday update. Fantastic tape last night, fantastic tape this morning. Just very briefly. We talked about in the webcast this morning, 96.98. That gave us a really solid short in the 95.96 area that we covered before the open. We let that pop up to 86.5. We were short 86.5 into the open, another nice trade. Then we got long, 80.75 for a move higher, and that set up an 86.5 short. Once this kind of broke here, then you had to move down to 66. We've done 66 and then 66 half. So not quite matching lows. We can zoom in a bit here on this 5-minute chart now. So a couple solid looks at 66. We were short here, and we took some small stuff here. But once it converted 74, once it converted our proprietary lower level, now we're long for a move higher. This could absolutely move back to 28.92. Certainly back to 89 even, which is a reversal level for us. So all in all, we're looking at about a 30-something handle day to go with a 40 handle day on Friday. This tape is becoming very, very tradable. It's in a really nice sweet spot right now, and that should last through the fall. So it's nice to see so many new people, so many familiar faces coming back from their summer break. If you're interested in taking a trial, or if you're a member and you're ready to come back, come on back. The gang is all here, and we would love to meet you. So as we head into the last, call it, hour and 40 minutes of the day, VWAP here, 80.70. OPG lined up as well. Okay, aggressive longs can be long against this area. Okay, right now we're long 75 quarter. It converted our proprietary moving average, converted our proprietary lower level, gave us a quick hop back to test OPG, and if this breaks up over 86, it clears the way to 92. All right, everybody have a great midday. We'll be out with some more stuff at the close. Trade them well. Talk to you then.